Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to build a WordPress website with Hostgator. This tutorial will be as quick as possible. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into, and also leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you have signed up to Go Hostgator, if you haven't done that, you can go ahead and check out their plans. They have a hatchling, baby, and a business plan. You can choose the one which fits you the best. I chose myself baby plan because it has a free SSL security for as long as you use Hostgator. Now, once you will sign into your Hostgator and add your domain. So for example, if you would click on your domains, I already added one, but you can go ahead and click add a domain and you can buy one. If you don't have it, transfer in or add as an external one. As an external one, you can also transfer it to Hostgator if you want to. I use a GoDaddy, so on settings here, you can see all of your DNS settings, which you can go ahead and change if you want to. Once the domain is connected, now you're going to click on websites, and here you will see your edit site option, which is on WordPress. So you're going to click on it, and it will launch your WordPress here. So now you will be redirected to this page, and here you can go ahead and click on WordPress, and you will have like a dashboard. And also, if you would click on settings, you can go ahead and edit your website settings. So for example, right here, you would edit your site title, your tagline in a few words. You can also choose a site icon here. So for example, let's set the icon just like so. And after you've done with all of these settings, you want to click Save Changes. Now, after you've done that, it's a great time to just go ahead to the appearance and change your theme. If you are happy with the 2024, you can go ahead and leave it like so and customize it. You can also add a new theme. So there are some premium themes, WordPress.org themes, and you can also go ahead and upload, or you can also install some plugins and have a lot of themes for free. So for example, if you would go to plugins, and you will see all of these plugins here. But you can go ahead and click add new plugin at the top. And for the templates, for the themes, you can go ahead and install starter templates. It will be really easy to edit your site and so on and so forth with this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and activate it. And from here, you can actually go ahead and use their AI website builder, or you just go ahead and choose classic starter templates. So AI will build your website like 10 times faster than you would do it yourself. So it's really convenient. You can also use a block editor, Elementor, or Beaver builder. So any of these four. This is what I suggest to do because it's really easy to use and you will save your time. Now, if you're not sure which plugins you want to use, now you will for sure need Yoast SEO for your SEO installation and setup. Also, Elementor is quite good website builder if you would like to. WP Forms is also easy form builder. So for contact forms, payment forms, surveys, and so on and so forth. Lightspeed Cache, I also suggest to use, and also WordFence Security. These two are really good for security reasons. So let's go ahead and install them both. Now there's also Updraft Plus for WP backup and migration. So if you want to have a really good backup, I would suggest to use Updraft Plus. What else? Monster Insights it's if you will connect your Google Analytics with it, with your site. Also a really good plugin and quite popular one. Now, once you will install all of your plugins, you can go ahead and click right there, Install Plugins. And here you can click Activate to activate them, just like so. For example, WordFence Security, Activate. And also there's some auto updates which you can edit on Hostgator itself. They will ask you also to register with WordPress, or you can install an existing one. So make sure you do this. Now about the templates itself, I'm just going to use starter templates for this tutorial, and I'm just going to build my site with AI. It's really convenient to do, it's really fast, and yeah. So you can get started for free. Now, as you can see, they have some plans, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use a free one. They give you 1000 AI credits, and you can do a 2 AI site generator. So if you will use only one, then you can go ahead and just get started with a free plan. Now, you're gonna name your site. I'm just gonna write down something like so. For example, something like that. Now you want to go ahead and describe your site. If you are if you're not sure what to write, you can go ahead and write using AI, or you can go ahead to ChatGPT to help you with this. So I'm just clicked write with AI, and they just wrote down something like a digital marketing consultancy. I'm just gonna leave it like so. Then you're gonna click next, and now you will need to enter how people can get in touch with you. If you want to share this, of course, you can go ahead and add social media like YouTube, for example. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my YouTube channel. Now you will have a lot of selected images. Basically, you will need to select. So I'm just gonna choose some of the images from here, maybe something like so. And then after you have selected the images, you're gonna click next. And now it will generate some of the previews of your design, of your site design. And you can go ahead and choose any of those, as you can see, with the images you have chosen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and maybe choose the first option. And here you can actually edit everything you want. So like from font, upload your file here, like a site logo, then color palette, and so on and so forth, edit all of the content. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's really simple to build a website with AI. And this was a tutorial how to build a WordPress website with HostGator. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.